My name's Dr. Savannah Howes, and this is Wild Rose Vet Tips. Today I'm going to talk to you about ferrets as pets. Ferrets are really hilarious, adorable little creatures with a ton of personality. They can make wonderful pets, but they are also quite challenging to keep in the household. And so they do require some foresight and research into how to keep them in your house successfully and safely. And so the first step is what I call ferret-proofing the house. Ferrets are notorious for finding small places to get into. They're very curious. They like to hide things, and they like to get into stuff. And so it's really a challenge to make sure that the house is kept safe for the ferrets so they're not getting into places or getting stuck. And so ferret-proofing the house is an absolute must. After the house has been ferret-proofed, you want to look into what type of home are you providing for them. Ferrets do need a period of darkness at nighttime, and this is thought to help reduce the risk of adrenal disease in ferrets. They normally live underground in little dens in their natural habitat, and so mimicking that in the household and providing a nice enclosure so they have an appropriate amount of true darkness is very important. You also want to pay attention to nutrition. So ferrets are obligate carnivores, meaning that all they can eat is meat. And they also have very short digestive tract. And so they do need to eat small meals frequently of a very high protein content. And there are a lot of different ways to feed ferrets. There are some commercially prepared foods, but I do encourage fresh food feeding as well as a commercially prepared diet. If you do have a pet ferret and you want to look to see if your ferret is healthy, you want to look for things like bright eyes, clear skin, a healthy coat, lots of energy, really good appetite, normal stool, all of those things. If you notice that your ferret has vomiting, weight loss, hair loss, loss of appetite, if they aren't as energetic as usual, these are all really good signs that they need to go to the vet for a visit. My name's Dr. Savannah Howes, and this has been Wild Rose Vet Tips.